Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do like, share and subscribe. Let's begin. In this video, I will show you the shell edging border, shell stitch edging border of crochet. So we attach the yarn over, making the double crochet stitches, 5 double crochet stitches, skipping 2 stitches in the third stitch. In the third stitch I will make 5 double crochet stitches. You can see like this. Now after skipping the two stitches in the third stitch, I make the single crochet, and you can see one shell becomes. So after skipping 2 chains in the third chain, I'll make 5 double crochet stitches, repeating the same pattern. This is the crochet edging border. You can use it on any cardigan, shawl, anywhere where you want to make the edge. It looks so beautiful and cool. And finally I did it. You can see what a beautiful these edges. This edge is very beautiful. Thanks for watching.